How to download voice messages from Messenger on PC or laptop. Hey guys, if you've ever wanted to save a voice message from Facebook Messenger onto your computer, but couldn't find that download button, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can download voice messages using just your browser. So stay with me and let's walk through it step by step. All right, let's begin by opening up any web browser. Once your browser is open, head over to facebook.com. Go ahead and log in using your email and password if you're not already signed in. Once you're logged in, click on the Messenger icon or just navigate directly to messenger.com, whichever you prefer. Now locate the conversation that contains the voice message you want to download. Click on that chat to open it fully so you can see the message threads. Right-click anywhere on an empty part of the chat window. A small menu will pop up. From that list, choose the Inspect option. This will open up the Developer Tools console on the right side or at the bottom of your screen. Inside the console, you'll see several tabs. Look for one called Network. If you don't see it right away, look for a small double arrow at the end of the tab row. Clicking that will reveal more hidden tabs. Select Network from there. Once you're in the Network tab, leave that open and go back to your Messenger chat window. Now play the voice message you want to download. Make sure to let it play all the way through. As soon as the message starts playing, new activity will appear in the Network tab. What you're looking for is a media file, so look through the list for something labeled as media. Or check the file type column for an audio file like .mp4 or .mpeg. When you find it, hover over it to make sure it's the one related to the voice message. Now, double-click on that file entry. It will open in a new browser tab or window. You'll see a basic media player appear, and at the bottom of that player, look for the 3 vertical dots. This is the Options menu. Click on those dots, and you'll see the Download option. Go ahead and click it, and your voice message will begin downloading immediately. By default, it'll go to your Downloads folder unless you've set your browser to ask for a download location. Once it's finished downloading, you can open your File Explorer and go to the Downloads folder. You should see your voice message file right there. Double-click it to play it back and make sure everything downloaded properly. And that's it. You've just saved a Facebook Messenger voice message directly to your computer. And if this tutorial helped you, feel free to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.